video, we are going to be building a custom ESP32 based radio transmitter that you can control for RC cars, planes, and even drones that I am going to be making in the future video. Here's the part list that you will need: a Veroboard, an ESP32 male to female connector, and the NRF24L01 PA LNA version. PA LNA version gives much better range. This is optional, but I'm going to be using a breaker board for the NRF. You don't need this, but I'm going to be using this because the pins on it are in the straight line, which makes the connection easier. You'll also need 2 joysticks and 2 toggle switches. These are the schematics or the wiring diagram. You can also get them linked in the description. Now let's get building. Okay, over here I only used one battery, but only one battery is not enough to power up this whole transmitter, so you'll need to add two batteries as I shown in the diagram. Okay, my ESP32 base transmitter is now ready, but I haven't coded it yet. I'm still working on it, and on top of that, I don't have anything to test it on. So I'm waiting for my parts to come in. Then on the next video, I'm going to be making a drone. So on that video, I'm going to be doing some testing with this transmitter. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe and comment what other features do I add in this transmitter. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.